Alright, so this handle intrigues me also. I mean, it all connects underneath the power head. There's no way to get to it up here. And then down here, there's a rusty nut right there. Man, I'd be scared to death to pull that out. How in the hell, what's holding this thing in is what I'm trying to get at. I have to look at the schematic. I don't see anything anywhere else. And this thing, I've already shot some brake cleaner in there, trying to loosen it up. It's coming along. But man, that's scary. They say you break that handle, it's more than the outboard. But that has to be the problem. It's got to be caked. Just like this mess over here. What a mess. I already hit that with a little frickin' straight gas. It didn't do a dang thing. Got to scrape it off first. See that mess? Hey, right there is where I just swiped my finger. Was that just crap coming from the exhaust? Only one way to find out. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Outboard gods. Ew. Oh, man, it's full of crap. Jeezel, peasel. I mean, full of crap. Son of a biscuit greaser. Got a little bit of grit in it. Now this one down here, I've done beat on it. See if I can get it. It didn't gonna go nowhere. I'm afraid I'm gonna break this damn fin right off. Come on, baby. I don't expect nothing to come out except maybe some water. Oh, Jesus. Oh, shit. Oh, poor little thing. Poor little thing. Had to go poo-poo. Had to runs. Now at least it still had some grease oil in there, right? But that's what's coming through right here. Same thing. Oh, it's a little different color. Look at the damn pin was broke. I'll be damned. It looked like it fell out in one piece. Look at that. That's not even fishing line. That's just frickin' hair. Oh my God. That's human hair. How in the hell? Look at that. It's blonde frickin' human hair. Unbelievable. Well, I mean, is it leaking here? Uh-oh. Is this possible? Where is this coming from? On the bottom here. This thing got a crack in it. Right up here, it's all gooey. And it was actually dripping when I put my finger on it. Man, is that nasty up there. We'll have to put the air on it. A little pressure test. So I got this thing down real low. I can hear it coming through here. I don't see anything down here. It's got to be the seal at the pump. So let's go ahead and pull this damn gear case off, I guess. Hate to say it. But these are spooking me. I already tried to turn them a little bit, and it's spooking me. I hate this. You don't know if it's twisting or turning out. Also, when they're hot, the metal gets softer. Easier to twist them off. Outboard gods, are you listening? And this ain't gonna do no good, but it's just a ritual. That's just a waste of WD-40 at this point. Outboard gods. Oh, I don't know. It's either gonna come out or snap. Sometimes it's like a jar of mayonnaise. You gotta smack it a few times. Oh man, it's just so scary. Uh-oh. This is either gonna fall off or unscrew. Well, it broke off short, so I should have plenty to pick at when I get it off. Yep. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my thighs off of you. I'm just gonna hit these. I'm not even gonna beg for help from the outboard gods. Just get it over with. Did that crack already, or is this one coming loose? I was gonna say, watch the other side fall out. The one side that's been sitting in the sun breaks. There's no way these didn't break. Come on, you gotta be kidding me. Outboard gods, are you serious? Is this really happening? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. If they broke up high, not low. I cannot believe this. Unbelievable. Thank you, outboard gods. I still have the faith, baby. Man, I think it's colder inside than it is outside. So what I did here, because of these two broken bolts, you can see them bubbling and smoking a little bit. I don't know if it's going to work, but something's happening. Brush some around the edges with a little muriatic acid. Boy, this one's bubbling up good. That one just started. See if that'll eat some of that corrosion out. Or eat the whole friggin' outboard up. I don't know. But I beat on that thing till I was blue in the face. Those two corroded bolts are not coming loose by themselves. So flip it upside down. Let it soak. Hey, it's still bubbling. Wonder why that side's not bubbling as much. Well, my casting net got snagged up again, and I just yanked it out, ripped it all up, and get me another one. Anyway, this stuff is still bubbling. 24 hours, not even later. I wonder if it's gonna work. It has to be doing something. You see the bubbles around the seam, so you can see down in them holes. It looks pretty good. And what I just did was trying to like boil them out a little bit. It might be working. I don't know. I'll put it back on the stand and beat on it a little bit. First I'm going to throw a little, what do you call it in there if I got any, you know, blaster. Wasn't there 2 words? Yeah, let's boil that out too. Hope it don't catch on fire. PB blaster, that's what it's called. Well, that almost looks like it's draining down. So here's a good one. The prop pin is broken off inside there. Crazy. So I think I'm gonna let that PB just soak. I'll beat it up tomorrow. Give it another day. Let me get this thing on here real quick. I don't want to hit it here. There's no place to put anything in here and wedge it in. It might be budging. Gently. Man, it ain't moving. See if I can wedge something in there. That looked like it moved it a little bit. Come on! I just want it to fall. She's coming. And I didn't chew anything up yet. Uh-oh, she's falling. Boom. Yeah, I got nice pieces of screw. Hang on, get those right out. Alright. Tools. Alright, so. Woo! I got lucky. I didn't have to spin the flywheel. Let's see what it looks like. Hopefully it's not all beat up from somebody else not doing it properly. Aha! No pin. It's supposed to be a roll pin there. It's gone. Alright, there's forward. There's neutral. Yep. There's reverse. Not too bad. It's all gummed up here. And this is what's worrying me. The way the schematic is, the way these seals are, this upper, or I should say the lower seal, weird looking. I've never seen anything like it. But that's what's worrying me. I have to look it up again, kind of study on it. Alright, that's all I'm doing.
You know the channel. Oh yeah, baby.